guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time when you see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so our monitoring spirit that they call Corriere dello Sport with Daily Mirror and Metro, they are coming out and letting us know say Arsenal they offer for Balogun and Tomiyasu to Inter Milan. Say make Inter Milan give them Barella. Now, when I saw this report yesterday, a lot of people where I discussed with they say this guy, because I don't know the boy, make I don't lie. I know the watch Italian Serie A. The only time I maybe saw him in the Champions League final when Inter played against Man City, but I know it's just that one match. Like say, okay, because of that I know him. So I can hear a lot of things about the player and I did more extensive research. Because say truly, this deal now something we say Arsenal they really interested and serious about. Now you know how Bukayo Saka take be for Arsenal when they very important. Now so Barella take B for Inter Milan. The guy is a midfielder. Now Arsenal they look and say now it will be the ideal replacement for Thomas Partey in case Thomas Partey won't retire anytime soon. Maybe next season, maybe next 2 seasons. Like this one now will be the continuation of Partey. That's why Arsenal they go for the guy. Now the question is, will Inter Milan accept the swap deal where Arsenal they do that? Because we know Inter Milan are interested in Balogun. We know Inter Milan are interested in Tomiyasu. So we are saying, okay, since you are interested in 2 of our players, well, we can also you can take our players and we can also request for 1 of your players. I'm going to just do swap. May nobody pay any money. And as it stands now, Inter gets a big problem because Inter already lose Edin Dzeko. As they lose Edin Dzeko, they can't lose Lukaku also. So now they can't be in a financial constraint. Like they don't really get financial muscle to flex around in the market. If not, Inter not going to waste time with all this for the Balogun where Arsenal they say, okay, give us 50 million. Yeah, they're not going to waste time to say the money day. And they're going to say if they want to even sell Barella outrightly, Inter will be requesting for £68 million. So this is it now. The valuation of a Balogun and a Tomiyasu supposed to don't cover that 68 million if they won't sell the player outrightly. So these are the options on the table. That Barella from what me I hear, the guy like Italian mafia, say the guy enter Arsenal. He go, some people even have the opinion say nobody for the Arsenal midfield even reach the guy level. Now, how many goals and assists did he score or make last season? He scored 9 goals and made 10 assists from the research. With me, I do get. I go YouTube, I see check some of the guy. The guy they display quite alright. So at the end of the day, we go know that this one a dream, just a dream. I be whether it will really happen because the guy they very important to Inter Milan. So are they willing to lose this player? Yes, so we'll just watch. Even as somebody that said they look for Zaniolo. Like most of these Italian players now, they try to carry them, they come for the EPL. Maybe they contest the difference between both leagues. So at the end of the day, if this news gets it, maybe Inter bites the proposal we Arsenal they give them. I will let you know. Now, away from that, another news will come sweet me. As I wake up this morning, lo and behold, I can see Fabrizio Romano reports. I can see David Onstein reports. Every day I look at Mazio. Like everybody that is somebody in the sports media space, they publish this same story about Moses Caicedo. Now, do you know that Liverpool, in the middle of the night, offered £110 million for Moses Caicedo, and Brighton don't activate and say, Shola, we agree, no shaking, you get. Now, Chelsea said make their own offer last, their final offer 100 million. So as it stands now, Liverpool already booked medical for Moses Caicedo. And look at how tricky this thing is. Moses Caicedo almost joined Arsenal, you get. Due to some issues, they don't give sell am. The second promise and say at the end of the season, they go sell am. In protest, he no work, he can't stay. Chelsea can't come again. In protest, even as we stand now, in there for London, be the wait. This is not Chelsea in the go. You don't talk everything, talk everything at earth. Last start Liverpool from nowhere, you get. Just come make that offer, surpass Chelsea. Like they are saying this is going to be a British transfer record. Now, why this thing sweet me? This same thing when Liverpool do Chelsea, now Chelsea do us. With the Modric transfer saga, we don't go for the Modric deal for a very long time. They put money. Chelsea came from nowhere, just sweep us away. Put one kind disastrous bid. They scatter our morale before you know Modric go there. So this same thing, now they can't do Chelsea. Who would have thought that Liverpool will be having such financial muscle over Chelsea? Like, because of money, Chelsea go run away. Chelsea no fit offer that extra fee, the extra 10 million, because Brighton are saying they want a bidding war. They are going to sell to the highest bidder. They don't want to know who you be. Now, as it stands, as of today, when they talk like this, now Liverpool, now Moses Caicedo they go. Now Chelsea is going to be settling for Adam Tyler, because they already activated the 20 million release clause of Adam Tyler from Juventus. So at the same time, they are still going for Lavia. I mean, I said, what even vex Liverpool now, because Chelsea bid for Romeo Lavia yesterday. So maybe that will come vex Liverpool. So what they do now? We leave Caicedo for now. They're going to enter our Lavia matter. Oh yeah, LFC, then I enter that Caicedo. So that's what it be. And away from that, also Tottenham Hotspur, from what they don't agree a deal with Bayern Munich, and Harry Kane is expected to move over that place. So these are people who say that they usually prepare us, get all this Kane, they prepare us enter we will meet. So I did very happy to say instead they find square root. So let's proceed. Alright, so our Igwe Thierry Henry don't they in contention for the France under 21 coaching job. So from what we hear, he's one of the favorites who get the job due to the experience we don't get from the Belgium job when they under Roberto Martinez, when they learn one or two. So they thought, okay, since this under 21 they don't do well for the international stage, they need a new manager. They don't sack their manager, so they're bringing him. So okay, come and help us out. So whether Henry will take the job, I don't really know, because don't forget, Henry will work for TNT Sports now as a pundit. So whether he will leave that one, go do the coaching job, I be going to fear to fail, because coaching, easy. Well, anyhow they go, I will let you know. Now, away from that, I'm happy to let you guys know, say, Balogun don't accept personal terms, contract terms with AS Monaco. The guy is really willing to leave, because why I didn't have to say, I want a quick resolution to this guy matter, because obviously I believe everybody don't come to the realization, say, they are plan again, according to the coach, not according to me. So we need a quick resolution. If we sign this, sell this for Balogun, and collect actual cash, it will help us to buy somebody else. We must buy, we must sign a striker, or winger or somebody. I think a winger will suffice. So anyhow this deal they go, but let's know whether now Monaco will finally get the guy, which I think it will be Monaco, because I think they're closest to our valuation. Or maybe Inter will accept the swap deal we want to, like giving them Balogun and giving them Tomiyasu to get this their old super midfielder Barella. And don't forget, the reason they are looking for Tomiyasu for the centre back role was because Tomiyasu plays centre back for Balogun, and Inter Milan don't lose Skriniar, will be one of their powerful centre backs. So they are looking at filling that void, and the striker role where Edin Dzeko and Lukaku they fill before, they are looking to fill that void also. So we are giving them the total package to just fill their absentees. So anyhow they go, I need to let you know. Alright, so away from that, so Chris Sutton don't come and say, you see the first match where Arsenal will play against Nottingham Forest, saying they see Arsenal knocking one Nottingham Forest blue and black, because the way Arsenal take play for that Community Shield, you don't let them, like, I don't clear, say Arsenal don't come play for this season. So that first match, they say, like, they be shit pack, and according to what's in the talk, like, they don't get that quality. I remember, say, we get scores to settle with Nottingham Forest. Do you know that towards the end of last season, this Nottingham Forest knock us? I think they knock us 1-0 when we needed to win. Yeah, they knock us. So this time around, we are preparing for them. Say, okay, they come and be, and thank God, say, we are playing at home, because this is like the first time in 4 years we'll play our first match in a new campaign at home. And since we're playing at home, we must give it all our best in front of our Emirates Stadium, the 11th man. It will make sense, God. So we'll just watch as everything will be. Alright, so David Seaman come and say, like, disagree with Schmeichel. Say, what did Schmeichel talk about goalkeepers for Arsenal? Say Arsenal they make mistake by signing David Raya to come and rival Aaron Ramsey. So it no go make sense. It's not good for bonding. It's not good for camaraderie. It's not good for the dressing room. So David Seaman just say, me, during my time, because he's a legendary Arsenal goalkeeper, so during my time when I was number 1, Arsenal signed Richards. They signed Richards. So, and as the guy come in, the guy helped me improve Richard Wright. So the guy came in, and honestly, it made me a better goalkeeper, because I'll be seeing a confirmed competition, not a shit packer behind me. And I saw what's in the talk, now the honest truth, because when you are looking at somebody you are better than, you know say no matter the kind of mistakes you make, they no go ever carry that shit back and come replace you. But if you are seeing somebody who's at the same level as you, you will sit up. You get that is why competition is needed in everywhere. So Baba can let Shemaike know say wetin dey talk. You know to make sense. They say Arsenal is actually doing the right thing, and so it be because myself I support what Arsenal they do. Now, surprisingly, Brentford don't come and make inquiries on Eddie Nketiah to Arsenal. See, they would like to sign Nketiah. See, they really need the guy because you know, say Ivan Toney don't get a lengthy ban because the guy like gambling too much. So for that reason, they look to cushion the effect to bring in a striker, so that by the time maybe that kind of January or thereabouts when the guy will come back to the squad, then the guy will take over, because for now they need to fill up that in scoring boots because this guy scored more than 20 goals last season, so they will be missing his goal contributions. So they are asking for Arsenal to give them Eddie Nketiah. Whether that one will be possible, I'm not sure, because Arsenal said the Gabriel don't get injury. We don't know whether it will be complicated in one way or the other, so we can't afford to be giving out our players, especially that we say Balogun self define square roots. So now Arsenal will decide. Anything they talk, I will let you know. Ajax don't give Kudus 2 days ultimatum wey just pass now. You get so as I make I let you know. The 2 days ultimatum when they do like a deadline, say you must make sure you sign with Brighton. Remember that Brighton and Ajax they reached an agreement for the 40 million for Kudus to move from Ajax to Brighton. But where the deal come scatter on our personal terms, Kudus no can give Brighton listening. You're not be saying reject them. You just say, okay, I don't hear what you talk. I need to check my options. I need to chill. Yes, there's still enough time for a lot of things to happen. So let me just calm down and look at the options, because if I make this move, there will be no opportunity for me to make a big move again. How old am I? So these are some of the questions. So Brighton can say, okay, we want this thing to be wrapped up sharply, because Brighton knows say Arsenal and Chelsea we are interested in this player, but Chelsea won't conclude the deal with Brighton for Caicedo before they come turn to Kudus. Arsenal on the other hand want to sell Balogun, gain some cash before they turn to Kudus. So everybody get what they block their attention. They say, okay, Kudus, we are interested in you, but just chill, we are coming. So Brighton can take advantage of that gap. Can rush go agree. At the end of the player no can agree their own personal terms. So as it stands now, Brighton don't know say Kudus fee no can join them, so they feel they look another place. So the people get the advantage now, like Chelsea and Arsenal, which means Kudus doesn't want to move to a smaller club. He's still looking at maybe a big club, maybe coming for him. So we'll just be watch. The present day news as of today now be say the ultimatum where Ajax give Kudus to accept Brighton deal, it don't elapse, it don't expire. So Ajax don't say, okay, this boy don't want to join them. Okay, let's continue searching for a club for you, because Ajax they need the money to rebuild their squad. Alright, that's make I giving us some injury updates. Now, do you know that people like Zinchenko, Jorginho, Folari Balogun, El Neni, and Reece Nelson have returned to Arsenal training? We saw a video clips of them yesterday as published by Arsenal where they train with the group. So we are very, very happy because the season is almost beginning. Okay? So we need all the legs we can have, all the players we can get at our disposal, so that the coach will select the strongest ever first 11 to destroy Nottingham Forest and whoever comes after. So that is my happiness that our injured players are coming back to the fore. Okay, all right, let's proceed. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, if you watch us for Twitter, make you don't forget to follow us, because we are on Twitter. Yes, now we are on Twitter and we are on YouTube also. So CHUKS Arsenal on YouTube, follow us. CHUKS Arsenal on Twitter, follow us also. Then on Facebook, Gunners for Life TV. But if you search for CHUKS Arsenal TV, you will see us. So follow us on all platforms. And on Twitter, if you follow me, I will follow you back. It's all the people don't follow me, they can testify. We have about 400 followers so far, and I followed everybody back. So that's so it be. If you follow me, I follow you back. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you will get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Again, out.